Yes, the stars on the tree. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys.
The tree?
Yeah. What are you saying?
The tree.
The tree? What's happened to the tree?
That's the tree.
Yes, that's a Christmas tree with Père Noel. Yes, Père Noel is broken. One of his foot is broken. He said that the Santa Claus foot is broken. Yes, baby, Père Noel's broken. Yes, his foot is broken. Dolphin. Yes. Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you say good morning? Say good morning. Bato. Can you say good morning, faves? You guys, what's up? I slept in this morning, ain't gonna lie. I slept in and I'm in a mood where I decide to just let everything flow. I'm not working with a timing today because I don't have work, but I still have a lot that I want to get done, that I want to accomplish. Tyler tablet. Where is Tyler tablet? Yes, that's Tyler tablet. Tyler, turn on his tablet. What you want to watch on the tablet? You want to watch Bus? So find it. You know how to find it. When this boy is chatting away, Lord, what did I pray for? I pray that I can't wait for him to start talking, and now that he's talking, he's just talking and talking and talking. Look at him. Yes, it is Tyler's tablet.
A, B, C, D, E,
Look at the chocolate on your mouth. Let's see your mouth. What is on your mouth? Chocolate? Look on your mouth. You see? Ah, you want Geisha? Where is Geisha? I don't know where you put it. Go look for it. Go and find it and come back, okay? You find Geisha? Yes, chocolate is on Tyler's mouth. Chocolate is on Tyler's mouth. You're eating chocolate? Anyway, you guys, I was telling you guys that baby's on the TV. I was telling you guys that I have so much to get done today, but I'm just letting everything flow. Today's Friday, which means I am going to change all the beddings in the house. I'm going to clean and dust what I need to dust and get a fresh start for the weekend. That's what I like to do. And it's Friday. I'm not going to work today, so I have the entire day to do that and to do all my supermarket shopping and everything. So today is gonna be a good day, but I'm just letting everything flow. I need to go and get me some breakfast. Yeah, I need to get some breakfast and feed Tyler's lunch and put him down for a nap and stuff like that. So I have a full day ahead of me. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you for always watching us, and give this video a thumbs up, of course. And if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Baby's off to work today, so you guys won't see babe until later. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he did, then you guys would have seen him before this clip. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and get some stuff done around here. I have so much to do. I have a lot of cleaning to do today. So yeah, stay positive, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay humble, and I'll catch you guys later. See you later. He's into his tablet. You guys, I have been so busy. It's crazy. I've been just cleaning. Babe asked me, what am I cleaning if the house wants to clean? But he would understand when I see like a dust here and there and bedding wants to change and all this mess need to wipe down and sanitize and all those things. I just have to. So I've been doing all that. I actually gave Tyler a shower earlier and put him down for a nap, and he woke up from his nap and look what he asked for. What is that you're eating?
Ice cream.
You're eating ice cream? He said, Mama, ice cream. So I went and make him ice cream with cones. I didn't bother to give him one from the fridge. You like it? It tastes nice? Can Mama have some of your ice cream? Can Mama have some? Can you give Mama some? C'est bon. Papa Cho gonna come soon. Go and sit and don't stand in front of the TV and watch the TV, okay? Mama is going to clean. Okay? Okay? Can you say hi to the faves? Can you say hi, faves? Give faves some of your ice cream. You're giving them some? Yay! Thank you. So you guys, the bathroom is finished, the bathroom, and I realized that the last time I used this shower curtain, I had throw away the floor placemats, so I'm definitely gonna have to buy some matching placemats for this bathroom later. But bathroom is done, so bedroom is done, so Tyler room is done. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so tired. But I have the toilet leave to do, I have the kitchen leave to do, and I have the living room leave to do. So it's afternoon now, and I'm not going to stop because I'm determined to finish everything today. Let's do this. Comment down below and tell me what you guys do on a Friday. Do you guys clean on a Friday? Do you guys chill on a Friday? What is your routine on a Friday? Comment down below and let me know. Alright, you guys, I'm all done the living room. Everything is back in formation. Yes, all done. All done. One last place to go, and that's all this. So let's do this. Almost there. Okay, you guys, that's officially a wrap. It's so cold outside. I'm freezing. Oh my gosh, I was so busy I didn't even get time to vlog while I was inside the supermarket because I was just focusing on picking up all that I want and get out because I'm freezing cold. But I'm actually in the car packing all the stuff and waiting on Babe and Tyler because Tyler lost his what we call dodo in French, his thing that his pacifier is attached to. It fell somewhere along the way, so Babe trying to find it. So yeah, that's a dilemma of what's happening right now. But then when reality hits you and you just have to run out of the house like this. I didn't even get to wash my hair. As you guys can see, I've been busy all day today. All day today I've been busy. But yeah, we're good. We're out here. Face look flawless though. No makeup, nothing, just some moisturizer. Anyway, you guys, we're about to go get some food when Babe come and then head home.
Hi guys.
What are you doing? I don't understand. You say hi guys, but then you started sleeping 2 seconds after saying hi guys. So how does that work? How does that work?
Oh, cute on the picture, on the camera. No?
Okay then, of course you're cute. You just figuring out that you're cute. You're full of yourself though. Yes, baby, you're cute.
Shut up. Let me enjoy and like the servants.
What? You tell me shut up. Hey guys, listen you guys. I had such a chaotic afternoon. I didn't even get to pick up the camera to vlog while I was in the supermarkets and stuff. It was too much. I didn't have the time to do all of that.
Wow.
But as you can see,
The struggle to stay awake.
the cute one is home.
Thank
as
you.
he says, he's cute. The cute one is home. And Tella is off to bed. And I'm tired, so I'm going to bed right now too. But first,
I'm gonna give you the French expression.
okay, go ahead.
The French expression for today will be Elle va me rendre chèvre.
Okay.
Elle va me rendre chèvre means she gonna piss me off. So literally means she going to make me chèvre is got a goat. She going to make me a goat. Like to make me become a goat. And we say it when the other want to piss you and you're about to get pissed. Say,
You're
she going to
hilarious.
make me become a goat.
I was expecting you to say that.
That's a good one, no?
Yeah, that's a very
Yeah.
good one.
You're
How
going
it
to
goes?
make me become a goat. No bad
Why?
thinking.
Why goat? Why goat? Goat does. I've never seen a goat
Chèvre,
pissed.
chèvre is a goat.
Yeah, but I'm saying why a goat? I've never seen a goat pissed.
I don't know. You need to make
Why
some
not another
research.
animal?
I need to make some research to know why to say that.
That one is funny.
I don't know.
I haven't seen you pissed in forever, so I was
Me?
expecting that
I
one.
don't know.
This man rarely get pissed.
Pissed is not in my
Oh
vocabulary.
no, not at all. He laugh all when babe mad, he's laughing.
I'm laughing at the situation.
Even when I'm mad at him, he's laughing. He can never be mad.
I can never become a
He
god.
can't take nothing serious.
I can't become a god.
Oh my god.
Tu vas
Tu vas
me rendre
me rendre
chèvre.
chèvre.
Right,
Tu vas me rendre chèvre.
right.
Okay. Alright. I'll let you guys know when I'm going to become a goat. I don't have time to become a goat. Sorry. Anyway, guys, the Jamaican expression for today is coming from one of my all-time favorite subscriber. Her name is Auntie Janet. That's how I love to call her.
When you say, before you say Auntie Janet, I just say, it must be her. Miss Morrison?
Yes. She commented on the vlog about 2 days ago where I was saying that I was rubbing Tyler up with some alcohol and babe always laugh at me asking me if I'm a wizard when I use alcohol. So she commented and say, sap him up, yes, smell. So the expression for today is going to be sap him up.
Sap him up.
Yes.
Sap him up, man.
Sap him up is, she's simple saying that I'm rubbing the alcohol all over Tyler. Sapping is like this,
Okay.
to tap, like
She didn't
this.
say it's not good to do that.
No, it is good to do that. It's a preventative measure, honey.
Okay.
It's for him not to become sick.
Okay.
So the
Never heard about
action,
it.
the action, this action is called, we call it sapping. So she says sap him up with the alcohol, mean I'm to put the alcohol all over him.
Sap
and
him
tap
up
him
with the
like this.
alcohol.
Yes,
Okay.
sap him up.
Sap him up is
Yes.
anything. If I put
And when-
chocolate on top of your head, alcohol, Sap him up with
Yes.
the chocolate.
Hey, when the older folks in Jamaica sapping you up with alcohol, you know, when they slapping you all over your body like my grandmother would say she's slapping out the pain.
Pain, I'm sapping you up.
So the Jamaican expression for today is sap him up.
Alright, sap him up.
Yes. So there you guys have the French and the Jamaican expression. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, comment down below. Subscribe if it's the first time watching. We love you guys. And welcome to all the new subscribers we have. We gained a few new ones over the past few days. Thank you guys for subscribing. And please turn on your notification bell to make sure that you get your notification when we upload. And if you don't, go to our channel every day. Monday to Friday, we have new vlogs up. We love you guys. Comment down below. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.